Mom, can we stop here for a moment?
Of course. Are you looking for something?
Yes. I want to buy a small souvenir for my friend Sophia.
That's very kind.
How much is it?
$25.
$25? For such a tiny fish.
Welcome to tourist prices.
But that's really expensive.
That's just the starting price. You don't always have to pay it.
What do you mean?
You can bargain.
Bargain?
Yes. You offer a lower price, and sometimes the seller agrees.
Really? You can actually do that?
In markets like this, absolutely. Watch how I do it. Hello.
Hello. Welcome, beautiful lady. Do you like this fish?
Maybe. How much is it?
For you, special deal. Only $25.
25? No, thanks.
Wait. Okay, 24.
24 is still too high.
Too high? But this fish is hand-carved. Very good quality.
Hand-carved? Really?
Yes, my sister made it. She is very talented.
Then why does it say, made in China?
Well, my sister lives here now.
I'll give you $10.
10? No, impossible. I have a family to support.
Okay, $11.
11? You are killing me. This fish cost me $15.
If it cost you $15, why is the shop next door selling the same fish for $12?
You are very clever.
Thank you. So, $10?
No, my boss would fire me. $22.
11.
11? 20.
12. And I will buy 2.
2 fish? 12 each? That is $24 total. Okay. You win. 12 each for 2 fish.
Perfect. Thank you.
You are a very strong negotiator, lady. Where did you learn that?
My father taught me. He grew up in Turkey.
That explains it.
Mom, that was incredible.
That's just bargaining, honey.
Just bargaining? You dropped the price from 25 to 12 and bought 2.
That's how these markets work. Sellers start high because they expect you to offer less.
But how did you know what to say?
I watched him carefully. When I began to walk away, he became nervous. That meant he really wanted the sale.
So you pretended to leave?
Exactly. If you walk away, the seller thinks they are losing the customer. Then they call you back with a better price.
That's really clever. And the store next door thing?
I never said there was another store. I only asked a question. He thought I knew something. That's strategy. But remember one important rule. Always stay polite. Smile. Never be rude. The seller is just working.
Okay. So be friendly, but confident.
Exactly. Now, do you want to try?
Me? Yes, really.
There is a shop right there. Choose something you like.
Okay, I'll try. Those earrings are nice.
You have good taste.
How much is one?
$18.
And this one?
Same price.
All of them are 18?
Yes, all my earrings cost 18.
What if I buy more than one?
How many?
5.
5? That would be $90.
Too expensive. I can pay 40.
40? For 5 earrings? That's only $8 each. Impossible.
Let me show you something. I have 5,000 followers.
5,000?
I'm starting a small online business. I sell accessories to teenagers in America. Right now I'm on vacation, but I'm also searching for suppliers. If these accessories sell well, I will come back. Maybe next month. Maybe I will buy 30 or even 50.
You're just a kid. How do I know you are serious?
Because I already sold accessories before. Look, my friends always ask where I buy my accessories. So I thought maybe I should sell them. This is just a test. If they sell quickly, I will order more. And next time, I will pay more. But first, I must see if my followers like this style.
And if they don't sell?
Then I don't come back. But if they do sell, you will have a regular American customer.
You are very smart for such a young girl.
Thank you.
Okay, $40. But only because you might return.
Deal. Thank you.
And if you sell them, remember me. Diego. This is my shop.
I will. I'm Megan.
Nice to meet you, Megan. Good luck with your business.
Why are you all looking at me like that?
Megan, what was that?
What do you mean?
The whole businesswoman speech. The followers. The promise to buy 50 later.
I wasn't lying. I really do have 5,000 followers. And I was thinking about selling earrings.
Wait, you were serious?
Yes. My friends always ask where I buy earrings like this. So I thought maybe I could buy things cheap and sell them online. Make some extra money.
And you've been planning this?
Kind of. I wasn't sure if it would work, but after seeing all these shops today, I thought this might be a good start.
Megan, you negotiated like a professional. You bought 5 pairs for $8 each.
I learned from you, Mom.
No, that wasn't from me. I bargain for fun. You created an entire business idea.
It's not that big.
Yes, it is. Megan, I'm very impressed. You were brave. You sounded confident. You made him believe you.
Honestly, I was very nervous.
But you didn't show it. That's the key. So this is why you wanted Wi-Fi so badly.
What?
You wanted to stay connected with your followers, with your business, not just for selfies.
Well, yeah. I know it sounds silly.
It's not silly. You're building something. I understand now.
Really?
Yes. I'm sorry I didn't understand before.
It's okay.
So are you really going to sell those earrings?
Of course. When we get home, I'll post them on TikTok. If they sell, I'll message Diego and order more.
You're going to do great.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, look what I bought.
What is that?
A little boat. The seller gave it to me for $2.
Nice. Did you bargain?
Yes. He said 4. I said 1. We agreed on 2.
Good job, Tom.
What did you buy?
Earrings. 5 of them.
How much?
$40 total. 8 each.
Not bad.
I will sell them for 16.
Wait, so you make $8 profit on each pair?
Exactly. That's $40 profit.
Wow. You're a genius.
Maybe not a genius.
Can I help? I could be your assistant.
What would you do?
Pack orders. Take photos. I'm good with photos.
Looks like we're starting a family business.
When we get home, I'm starting a business too.
Oh, really? What kind?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe something with boats or ice cream.
We still have plenty of time.
Let me see your watch.
See? 4 o'clock.
Mike, did you change the time zone?
What?
Ulbosch is 1 hour behind ship time. Your watch is wrong. It's not 4. It's 5.
What?
We only have 30 minutes before the ship leaves.
30 minutes?
Are we going to miss it?
Not if we run. Let's go.
How far is it?
15 minutes if we hurry.
What if we don't make it?
We will. Just keep moving.
I can't run fast. My shoulders hurt.
Then move faster anyway.
Megan, what happens if we miss the ship?
We won't miss it.
But what if we do?
Then the ship leaves without us. And we have to find our own way home.
What?
But that won't happen. We'll make it because Mom said so. And Mom is always right.
Which ship?
Ocean Wave.
Dock 8. Run! They're closing the gangway. Faster! The gate is about to close.
We made it.
I'm never doing that again.
That was terrifying.
Are we safe now?
What did I say? Always check the local time.
I know. I'm sorry.
But we didn't miss it.
No, we made it.
That was scary.
Yes. But we're okay now.
I should have checked the time earlier.
It's okay. Next port, let me handle the time.
Deal.
At least we have a great story now.
Yes. We are official pier runners.
I guess we are. And I am a sunburned pier runner.